Welcome back to Auto Analyst, your go-to source for the latest in automotive style and performance. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Camaro. Whether you're a die-hard Camaro fan or simply love the thrill of high-performance vehicles, the new Camaro is sure to impress from every angle. Let's take a closer look. From the front, the 2025 Camaro exudes aggression and sophistication. The redesigned front fascia features a bold, wide grille that gives it a menacing appearance on the road, flanked by sleek LED headlights with sharp angles. The car's stance is low and wide, emphasizing its performance-oriented nature. The Camaro's signature hood scoop remains prominent, giving it an extra touch of muscle car heritage. Whether parked or in motion, the front of this Camaro commands attention and speaks to its powerful engine under the hood. It's moving around to the side. The Camaro's profile is unmistakably aerodynamic, with sharp lines running along its length. The flowing curves over the wheel arches give the car a sense of constant motion, even when it's standing still. The coupe roofline gently slopes toward the rear, blending seamlessly with the trunk and enhancing its sports car aesthetics. The low ride height and wide stance create a muscular look that is backed by high-performance tires and stylish alloy wheels, further adding to the Camaro's street presence. The side mirrors are sleek, giving it a modern touch while maintaining the iconic Camaro silhouette. At the back, the 2025 Camaro stays true to its iconic lineage with modern updates. The dual exhausts hint at the car's potent powertrain, while the rear spoiler adds a functional element of downforce and style. The LED taillights, with their distinctive shape, provide a nod to the Camaro's heritage while also embracing modern design elements. With a wide rear bumper and a diffuser that adds a sporty touch, the Camaro's back end is just as aggressive as the front. Every detail has been designed to enhance performance and create a bold, cohesive look. Step inside, and you'll find that the 2025 Camaro's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a combination of premium materials and high-tech features. The bolstered sports seats offer both comfort and support, perfect for long drives or spirited racing. The dashboard has been updated with a sleek digital display that provides critical driving information and entertainment options. The center console is clean and modern, featuring a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and seamless connectivity options. Chevrolet has taken care to ensure that the Camaro's interior combines luxury with functionality. From the soft touch materials on the dashboard and doors to the aluminum accents that highlight key controls, everything feels premium. The flat-bottom steering wheel provides a sporty feel, and the paddle shifters offer quick gear changes for an exhilarating drive. With ample legroom for a sports car and well-placed controls, the interior design is both intuitive and stylish. That's a wrap on the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro. Its bold exterior combined with a sleek, tech-filled interior makes it a perfect blend of classic muscle and modern innovation. If you're looking for a performance car that delivers on every front, the 2025 Camaro should be at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning in to Auto Analyst, and be sure to subscribe for more automotive insights.